guys, good news. So our carrier did show up, our open diff carrier. Now when I ordered it, Summit said that it was the carrier only. However, when I opened the box, it came with the thrust washers and it came with the pinion shaft. I thought we were gonna have to wait for those to show up later in the week. I had ordered some just in case. I'm gonna start putting all this stuff back together and put it in the truck and hopefully don't blow it up. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up our gear swap. Took a little bit longer than expected, but you know, I knew it was going to be a difficult process. I've never done that before, so it was a learning experience for me. And you know, I took it out around the block, and you know, nothing broke. It wasn't making any new noises, and in fact, I do believe that that whining that I was hearing coming from the rear end, I think that's gone now. It's kind of hard to hear over the multiple exhaust leaks from the exhaust manifolds and whatever else is going on with the engine. It's probably in pretty rough shape, but we'll see what we can do. With our move coming up here in a couple months, it's gonna kind of impact my budget for the truck. I'm gonna have to hold off a little bit on, you know, putting new parts in, but that's fine because I still want to get these Dodge Challenger seats fitted in there, so we can work on that, work on the rest of the interior, kind of just the stuff that I have material for that I've just kind of been putting off while I've been making some of these repairs and modifications. But yeah, other than that, you know, like I said, took around the block, didn't hear anything crazy, but I will say, while I was aware that lockers make noises, I've never experienced it firsthand, and so the first time that it locked up and I heard that clank, I thought I broke something, but then I remembered, I'm like, oh yeah, these things make noise. So other than that, she's running, pretty good, and took me around the block and made it back with no issues. So we're gonna start chipping away at some of some housekeeping items, kind of tighten it up a little bit, do the interior, and I've got to put away all my tools and throw all the trash away from this rear end project. So I'm gonna get cracking on that, and I'll have some content out there for you guys along the way. But as the next couple of months, there should be some more parts that we can put in there. I still need to get in alignment, and with kind of where we're at right now, seems like just the easiest move is just to bring it to the tire shop, have them do an alignment, have them bleed my brakes, and then I'll take it over from there. So, but yeah, that's all I got. And remember, as always, live free and drive fast.